Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this mathematical expression by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for ob, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says solve the inside the first set of parentheses, which is 5 multiplied by 6, and it gives you 30. As a result, according to this step, we target bracket B first, moving left to right, and we simplify the first grouped operation. And now the current expression becomes 150 divided by 30 plus bracket 7 square minus 4 square and multiply by 2. Move to the next step. Simplify the exponent inside the second set of brackets, which is evaluate. So now evaluate 7 power square, which is 49, and 4 power square, which gives you 16. According to this, the new expression becomes 150 divided by 30 plus bracket 49 minus 16 and multiply by 2. According to this step, inside the remaining brackets, the order O rule requires us to evaluate the exponent before subtracting. And now the next step says complete the subtraction inside the second bracket, which is 49 minus 16 gives you 33 as a result. So now according to this expression, this step clears the final bracket from our expression and allowing us to move to open operations. So now the current expression becomes 150 divided by 30 plus 33 multiplied by 2. Move to the next step, perform division. Now divide the values. 150 divided by 30 gives you 5, and now the current expression becomes 5 plus 33 multiplied by 2. According to this step, following the hierarchy, division D take precedence over the multiplication and addition while reading left to right. So now finally perform multiplication and addition. First multiply the digits. Multiplication 33 multiplied by 2 gives you 66. According to this step, multiplication must be executed before we can perform the final addition. Current expression becomes 5 plus 66. Finally, we add the remaining values. 5 plus 66 gives you 71 as a final result. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, addition, which is the last, resolve the final remaining value to deliver our total summarized answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.